Friends, welcome to Bidla International School. You are watching your school channel Bidla Kids. This is workbook of class 4th for mathematics, and today we are going to solve worksheet 42nd. And the first question is, following are the prices of items listed in the rate list given below. Here are some items given, their quantities are given, and their prices are given. Prepare a bill for each of the following purchases: 3 kg of sugar, 4 kg atta, and 5 gram of butter. Okay students, so we have to prepare a bill for this. So to prepare this bill, that we have to purchase 3 kg of sugar, 4 kg of atta, and 5 gram of butter. How to prepare this bill? So I'm going to tell you a kind of performer that you have to use for making a bill. You can see there is a particular structure to prepare a bill. First of all, you have to write the name of the store from where you are purchasing the items and the address. Here will be a serial number. This is actually bill number, and here will be the name of the customer who is going to purchase the item. Here the date of the day when you are going to purchase the items, like suppose this is 1st of January 2021, and there will be 3 columns of quantity, description, rate, and amount. So starts writing quantity 3 kg of sugar. So quantity is 3 kg. In description you have to write sugar. 4 kg of atta. So 4 kg atta and 500 gram butter. 500 gram butter. Next thing, what is the rate? So from the above table you have to note down the rate. There is 3 kg of sugar. What is the cost of sugar? Sugar 1 kg rupees 35. Sugar rupees 35. For the cost of atta is 1 kg for rupees 25. So you have to write down here rupees 25. Next thing, 500 gram butter. So what is the cost of butter? For 500 gram, rupees 80. Rupees 80. Now what is the amount? Amount means this is the rate of sugar for 1 kilogram. We have purchased 3 kilogram. So 3 into 35 in rupees 105. Cost of atta per kilogram is rupees 25, and we have purchased 4 kilogram. So total amount will be rupees 100, and this is the cost for 500 gram, and we are going to purchase 500 gram. So the cost is rupees 80 as it is. Okay students, now here will be grand total in rupees. So add these numbers: 5 as it is, 8 as it is, and 1 plus 1 2. It means the grand total is 285 rupees. Okay students, here you can write the name of the particular person who is going to purchase the items from store, where is your name, wherever what is your name you can write here, like Jay Kumar. Okay students, so this is the solution for the first A. And the same way you have to solve for the first B. Okay students, now continue to see the next question number second, and question number second is complete the following bill. You have to complete this following bill. The bill you can see, Raj Provision Store is a store which is situated in Malviya Nagar, Jaipur. The serial number is 226. The name of person is not given. Date is given. Here some quantities with description are given. Rates are also given. You have to note down amount here. So how to write amount? This is the cost per kilogram, and we are going to purchase 2 kilogram. So we have to write down the amount 2 multiply by this. So multiply this number by 2 and write down here rupees 1452.90. Similarly, soft cake rate is rupees 18.50 per kilogram, and we have purchased 10 pieces This is not kilogram, this is per piece. Okay students, so on multiplying these two numbers you will get rupees 185.00. Next thing, rice, the rate is rupees 81.50 per kilogram and we are going to purchase 6 kilogram. So multiply these two numbers and write here. And last, the cost of sugar per kilogram is rupees 48.50 and we have purchased 8 kilogram. So multiply these two numbers. This is the cost of sugar. Now we have to add these numbers to take grand total. So here will be 2515 rupees and 30 paise. Okay students, your worksheet 42 completed. Now you have to write down these solution in your worksheet and we will see you again with the solution of next worksheet in the next video. Till then, have a good day.